December is one of my favorite months of the year. There are three reasons for that. The first is it's cold in Dubai. The second one is, and the third is holidays from work, which means off, 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 off. And since it's Christmas time, I thought why not check out a few places and see if there are any good Christmas decorations around. And you guys are coming on the journey with me, whether you like it or not. Since I was a small boy, I've been coming to this mall called Wafi Mall, which used to have the only Christmas tree in Dubai. So let's start at this place first. Wafi done, Festival City done, Madinat Jumeirah done. What's left? So I have come to location number 4, Al Seef. The last place that I'm going to is right behind me, Habtoor Palace. So if I had to take a call on which was the best place to go for Christmas celebrations, my pick would be Madinat Jumeirah. The reason for that would be it has something for everyone. They've got a great decoration, they've got good food, there's alcohol as well. The only issue is parking, but what can you do about that? On second place, I would keep Festival City, because Festival City also has everything for everyone. There are games for kids, there's food for adults, and mainly, again, it's in the open. For me, the third place would be Wafi, even though it's got great decorations, but it's indoors. And at this kind of weather, I think outdoor is better. I'm just biased towards an outdoor place. And my honorable mentions would be Al Seef and the Habtoor Palace Christmas tree. Now, those are my picks. In case you order them differently, please go ahead and mention that in the comment section of the video. I would love to see how you've rated them. And lastly, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. See you in the next one.